Hello and welcome back. In this next video in our short video series using the Monument 4-burner gas grill, we're going to cook a ribeye steak using the grill to slow cook it to get it close to our target temperature and the sear burner to sear it off perfectly. This is the way you cook a great steak perfectly on a gas grill at home. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. All right, we're going to start with a simple olive oil and salt and pepper rub on the steak. All sides, front, back, top, and bottom. I like to get the sides also on the steak. Now for this one, I'm just doing some nice ground sea salt. There we go. Now we're just going to let that sit and get up to room temperature, or close to it. And we're going to use our TheTactacam air probe to monitor this cook. Insert that to the line right there. This is going to monitor the grill temperature and the steak temperature. We're going to cook this kind of slow at about 300 degrees, maybe even a little less, and bring this steak up to temperature evenly. So one of the big secrets to cooking a steak perfectly is to cook it slow. We're going to put it over a burner that's actually off right now. And we're going to cook this thing slow to bring the whole steak, as thick as this is, all the way up to temperature within about 10 or 15 degrees of our target temp evenly. So it'll be cooked the same all the way through. Now let me show you guys something about the TheTactacam Air Probe app. The app is reading the chamber temperature at the steak itself. The temperature gauge on the grill is actually quite a bit higher than where the food is. So the grill gauge is going to read hotter. This is where a nice probe like the Air Probe 2 or Air Probe 3 really comes in handy. See, the food temperature is at 73 degrees currently, chamber at 303. The Air Probe has a probe at the end of it for the food and at the other end of it for the chamber. We're about 10 degrees from our target temperature, actually about 10 degrees from our target temperature before we sear it. So I'm going to go ahead and fire the sear burner up. Easy enough. And we'll let that get good and hot. We have that sear burner screaming hot. Gonna smack this steak on there for just a quick sear on each side. And I mean, I'm talking about a minute each side, and that's it. I don't want to do much with this. Little flame kiss. Yeah, look, 141. That's about what I'm looking for. Perfect. We'll get the TheTactacam out. Now let's go ahead and cut it and see how it looks on the inside. Yo, look at that. Done perfectly all the way through to a nice medium. Nice sear on the outside. Happy wife?
Looks delicious.
Yeah. All right, I gotta have one bite of this. Satisfactory. Boy, I missed that.
That's all you get.
I know, that's all I get.
One bite. That damn tick.
That's really good. But it's steak. It's supposed to be good. So that steak was absolutely perfectly cooked on the Monument gas grill. Slow cooked first and then seared off on the sear station. The grill did an absolutely fantastic job of cooking it slow with the sear, the way steaks are supposed to be cooked on a grill. So that's the last one in our short video series of cooking on the Monument 4-burner gas grill. You can check out the rest of this series in the playlist up in the cards right up there. Links to everything used in this video down in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and rumor has it we might have another Monument Grill video coming up here in about a month. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and click the bell icon so you don't miss videos like this one. Thanks again for watching. Now give me that thumbs up like button for a perfectly cooked steak. We'll see you next time. And I've got my wife Jackie's famous mashed potatoes and her famous canned vegetables. Homemade canned vegetables. Woohoo! And I mean, I'm talking about a minute each side, and that's it. I don't want to do much with this because, of course, UPS guy showed up right when I needed to get this thing on the sear burner.